We couldn't believe our eyes when we saw this one. Yes, you're looking at a like-new 7,100 kilometer EG6 SIR II. The paint is a little rough, but other than that, the car is immaculate. What we need to do is give it a good wash and a few days paint correction to make the paint pop and shine again. All the stickers were missing when we got the car. A brand new set was ordered, and carefully we apply them one by one. To protect the newly polished paint, we're applying 5 layers of nano-titanium glass coating to the surface. This will form a glass-like physical barrier to shield the paint from harm's way, plus giving a candy gloss deep shine. A new set of headlamps and corner lamps were purchased for the car. Very simple installations, then the front bumper can go back on too. Side molding trims then just pop back into place one by one. Rear tail lamps are next, and for this car we also purchased a new exhaust tip. Just one simple screw to secure it to the muffler. New front and back Honda emblems complement perfectly with the now immaculate paint. Interior detailing is next. First task is to steam clean all areas to kill any germs or bacteria. All interior fabric gets a deep cleansing with a special foam cleaner and a soft bristle brush. The carpet gets an extraction cleaning too. The original seatbelt buckles are very faded. Luckily, we can still purchase them new from Honda, and they look so much better than the old set. The rest of the interior also gets a once-over, making sure all areas are absolutely spotless. New shift knob spins on easily, then the final task is a bit of carpet extraction for the floor mats. And there you have it, our finished product. Although the car has traveled very limited miles, there's still work that can be done. We simply added excellence onto perfection. Seeing this car today almost feels like time traveling back to the 90s, and believe me, it's an absolute joy to drive around. Hope you all have enjoyed this video, and see you again soon!